Okay, Luna opened it for us. Thanks, Luna. Instructions for use for the original Burlicue pistol. Before use of your pistol, you have to take notice of the following. Even for the smallest pistol, you should use carefully. 1. Unlock hammer. 2. Push breech safely. 3. Tip down barrel. 4. Feed 2mm Burlicue blank cartridge with pin into provided slot. 5. Push breech safely. 6. Close barrel. Attention, do not lead finger before barrel. 7. Fire. Report. 8. If the Burlicue cartridge comes not out of the barrel while reloading, use the attached ramrod. Warning, do not oil pistol. Powder foulings are to clean with cloth only. Okay. Got the gun itself. But look at that. Look at the artwork. Got this nice rabbit, some shrubbery. And you flip it over. And you got this nice deer. I like the attention to detail here. Look at the antlers on that guy. And that stamped PTB222. The craftsmanship, right? The craftsmanship. Just beautiful. Screw on the old muzzle. That's the world's smallest pistol.
Oh yeah,
What the hell?
Isn't that wild? And it
And
worked.
you put this little,
the
it's
primer.
from 1984. You put these little primers in.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
And
I
you
just can't
crack the
believe it.
barrel, and then it takes a flare.
Isn't that the coolest thing
What the
ever?
hell?
And then
Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.